This Week at Work is the only show about the workplace that offers you front row seats and a microphone, featuring experts in human resources and employment law to bring you practical, timely, and accurate insights so you can more effectively lead your organization. It's Thursday, June 27th, episode 285. Today, are you ready to transform your engagement and retention strategies? If not, bravo! But for everyone else, you simply can't afford to miss this episode. According to a recent article by Resources for Employers, it's estimated that replacing an employee will cost on average about 6 to 9 months of their salary. That's a big deal. We'll be joined by Tracey Wik, an AAIM Senior Training Consultant, who wowed the crowd at the recent AAIM Leadership Conference during her 2 breakout sessions. Tracey will help us understand the value of creating a coaching culture that drives real results. All this and more on This Week at Work.